Good morning, it's 6 a.m. and I'm cleaning my toilet.
I forgot that I had these, oh my god. Makeup that I'm giving away. What up, we're back for another video. Hi, welcome. Make sure to subscribe to be part of my family. Ugh, am I clever? No, I got that tattooed on my arm when I was like 14 in hopes that YouTube would become my full-time job and I didn't go broke living on the streets. Thank you for that one. Y'all are real ones for that. Anyways, I got a new camera, by the way. I don't know. It was expensive. That's all I gotta say, so make sure not to skip the ads. Today I'm gonna be deep cleaning my house. Well, I haven't vlogged in a minute, so I feel like I don't know how to be a YouTuber. And I know that I cleaned my house not too long ago, but this is gonna be like a deep clean. Like, we're gonna be decluttering the kitchen, doing all that stuff because I move soon. Where am I moving? I don't know. Did I find an apartment? No. Is my lease gonna end in literally 2 weeks? Yes. Not me like low-key eyeing myself in the mirror just to see, oh, is the booty fat? I'm kidding. All right, let me show you before. So we have all of this trash and stuff that I need to take out. All of these groceries. Oh my god, y'all, let's not even talk about the dishes. I don't know what that's about. I'm gonna clean out the pantry just because like there's a bunch of just random stuff in here that I don't even eat. We have the fridge, which has a bunch of expired stuff. Are we surprised? Not really. Also, look at this fat setup. Do you see how big this thing is?
That's what she said.
This is my room. It's not too bad. I just have to like wash the bedding and stuff like that. And then this is the bathroom. A lot of stuff. We gotta clean it out. You know, a little new year, new me. You gotta start off with like a clean slate, you know what I mean? Like a clean, fresh house, even though my house literally gets messy every 2 seconds, but that's what we're gonna do. So if you need a little bit of motivation to clean your room, clean your house, be productive, may this video be for you because I've literally been on TikTok for the past week and I hate myself for it. It's making me an unproductive piece of shit. I just wanna lay here all day long. I'm gonna take a nap right here. No, my positive affirmations. You are great. You are doing so good. You've already done so much. Like, you're doing so good. You're doing great, sweetheart. No negative thoughts on this channel. Before I do anything though, I do need to go get coffee. I feel like that's my excuse for everything, but a little Starbucks never hurt nobody. I need to shut up. I be vlogging literally everything. Like, y'all do not give a flying fuck. But this camera though, all of a sudden I'm Casey Neistat. Come on, son, let's go. Holy f. Man's almost sent himself down the stairs in 6 feet under. Fuck. This is the fit. What do we think? I've been trying to like not wear sweatpants and like pajamas around at all times, so I literally don't even own a pair of sweats anymore, which is definitely an L, but I think it'll be better for myself, like, because if I don't have sweatpants, then I literally cannot wear them. Does this fisheye lens make my booty look fat? Okay, I'm currently looking through my YouTube comments trying to figure out what drink I should get. I asked you guys in my video once what Starbucks drinks I should get, and every time I go to Starbucks, I literally search up Starbucks in my comments and it comes up with all the comments that y'all have said for Starbucks, so.
Hi, thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get you started with today?
Hi, could I get a, yo, what's your favorite coffee drink? Oh wait, shit, never mind. I'm sorry, I see this. Could I get the brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso, please?
Okay, awesome. $5.95. I'll see you next.
Thank you. Bruh, I was deadass sitting back there for way too long trying to decide what I wanted. I hate to be that bitch that just asks people and then orders my own thing, but I then saw the menu and that's what I wanted. What do we think about this new camera? I'm so sorry if this vlog is literally 10 years long. I just haven't vlogged in so long that I feel like it just feels so weird to just vlog, because like I used to do these videos where like I would compress a lot of different videos into one. So basically, like for my glow videos, I had like 10 different sections in it. Like I got my nails done, blah, blah, blah. So for like this video, it was stressing me out because I was like, oh, I want to do a whole New Year's resolution video. I planned this for weeks on end and I was gonna like do a vision board, clean my house, clean my car, clean out my closet, go like buy new makeup, have a whole new routine. But I was like, instead of one video, how about we do like 6 different videos? You know, am I just showing my credit card? One time I did that. One time I really did expose my credit card online. Oh my god, maybe that is why I just had credit card fraud and I had to cancel my card. I was trying to figure it out. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I like to make more videos where it's like just casual vlogs, you know? Probably definitely not as like clickable for clickbait, but ugh, what a waste of a video to add like 5 different things into one. How about you make 5 different vlogs? Y'all probably think I'm so fucking boring for that, but would y'all rather have one jam-packed video a week or like 5 different vlogs that y'all can watch whenever you are bored? Actually, don't answer that because you can answer that if you'd like, but just the one jam-packed video is like, okay, 12 minutes a week and then that's it. Like, come on, girl, we want to know what goes inside your brain. I don't know about you, but that's how I feel when I watch YouTubers. Anyways, see, this is what I mean, like I talk too much.
Here you go. Thank you so much. You have a good day, okay?
Thank you, you as well. So I'm gonna start off by cleaning my dishes just because they've been piling up. Like, y'all see this? Okay. I just finished cleaning the kitchen, just like wiping things down and everything like that. Let me show you guys, because we're gonna do the pantry next. I haven't done this since I moved in. Like, I haven't fully just gotten rid of everything or like seen my pantry clean. We're gonna do it though, because I don't know what's in there. All right, these are the countertops. The kitchen just has some towels in it, but pretty clean. The oven's pretty clean. This is not, but that's like an easy clean. I opened up the window because I haven't done that in so long, but this is what we're about to tackle right now. So as y'all see in here, I just have like a bunch of these containers, which these coffee beans are so old. I still drink them, but no, I literally haven't opened this because I didn't even remember I had it. These, I ate them yesterday, but they're old and stale. Ew, like this shit just has melted butter on it. I can't remember the last time I ate goldfish, maybe the beginning of this year, like last year. Over here I have a bunch of candies, but to be honest, I don't really eat candy, so I think I want to ship these back home to my parents to try. And then like down here, I bought this so long ago. Like, I have so many things in here that I don't use. Like, why did I buy mayo? I literally have mayo. I'm gonna get rid of a bunch of this stuff. I wish I could donate it, but a lot of this stuff has been open, you know what I mean? So currently I'm rereading, well, listening to the book called Atomic Habits by James, I don't even know, but I read this book maybe like 4 months ago. Literally changed my life, but I feel like I forgot it, and I need something to like light a fire up my ass right now, so I'm re-listening it. And oh my god, y'all, like, I know that everyone talks about this book, but I'm telling you, this book changed my life, and I'm re-listening to it, and I feel it changing my life once again. Even if you don't read books, you don't even have to pick up the book and read it. Just listen to it like it's a podcast. And even if you hate reading books, please just listen to it, because I'm telling you, it'll change your life. This is like a little infomercial. Why did I say it like that? But seriously, it just breaks down why these little things that I do are so bad for me. Like, these bad habits of me going on TikTok every single day, be like, ugh, it's whatever. Like, just read it. Oh my god. And I love looking at my DMs and then you guys being like, oh my god, I bought the book that you recommended. Like, if y'all want to see all my book recommendations, I have an Instagram highlight of it. Let's just get into it. Look how cute these are. I want to save these for like a little Nutella like latte. Kit Kat. Green tea Kit Kats are so good. I forgot that I had these. Oh my god, ew. You see that? I don't know about y'all, but like, I'm trained to keep all these sauce packets and all this stuff from restaurants whenever I eat out, because my Asian parents did. So like, every time we wanted ketchup or something when we were eating a meal, we would just go and grab we would just go here and grab them, because like, save money, live better, right? But I do not eat sauce. I just collect them for no goddamn reason. I don't know if y'all have this in your home too, but bag of sweet tea. My ADHD almost got me there. I was literally about to start cleaning every single freaking thing and put them in moving boxes, because I'm like, I need to move. But then I was like, if you do that, that's gonna take you another 30 minutes. My brain is just always thinking that there's always so much more to do, and I didn't realize that it was like a normal thing. Apparently this is more prominent if you have ADHD, but I feel like everyone probably does this. It's like when you do something, like you say you want to clean your room, you think of it as such a big task, because you're like, okay, I have to clean my room. That means I have to wash my sheets, and then I'm gonna have to wait and then put them on and then make my bed, and that means I'm gonna have to reorganize my entire bathroom, and then that means that I have to go through everything and blah 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 blah, and if I wipe down my counter, then that means I have to wipe down my shower, and it just becomes so much. But in reality, you just gotta do the task that you say you're gonna do. Don't try to make it bigger than it actually is, because that's why we feel so overwhelmed. So instead of cleaning all of these, putting them in boxes, getting ready to move, that was not my fucking task. It was to just organize and declutter, which I did, and I will put all these away in boxes another day. I'm trying to be less wasteful, so instead of like throwing these bags away every time I use it, I'm just like washing them and reusing them. Just because, you know, in 2022, the person that I want to become is an environmentally friendly person. I don't know about that because I don't know if those are the pure intentions behind it, but I want to be more conscious with my waste, I guess, and reuse things more. Basically become a minimalist. I just want to stop buying stupid shit that I don't need, which is more plastic bags, you know? I organized all my Tupperware, so no extra lids or anything like that. Those are gonna be going in boxes pretty soon, so I just like left them there. There's a bunch of random stuff in here, so we are going to donate a bunch of things because like I honestly don't use a lot of this stuff and I know what I've used and what I haven't, so let's get through it. Currently waiting for my acai bowl. I just wanted something to eat while I go to the dog park and try to plan out my life like I do every single day. I'm currently at the dog park. Sterling hasn't been to the dog park in like a month. Now, this sounds really bad, but whenever I give him to the babysitters, they have dogs, but holy fuck, it's hot. The UV index is only like 2, but I'm burning up. Ew, what is my posture right now? I just ate this acai bowl that I got at this juice truck. It was good. I haven't had one in so long. I used to eat acai bowls like every single day. A girlie's tired, but it's because she slept for 12 hours. I was supposed to wake up at 7 a.m. this morning, but I turned my alarm off. But I'm just gonna journal right now. I'm trying to get back into it. I mean, like every time I pick up my journal, I can write for hours, but it's just like I need to pick it up and write every single day. I always seem to like get my life together every time I journal, and then I forget about it, and then I redo it and redo it and redo it. So I'm trying to do it every day so that I break that cycle, but I'm just gonna write things that I'm grateful for today. Hello. What? What? Oh, you're itchy. You're itchy. Y'all, I just signed my lease for my new apartment, and y'all know how I've been on this hunt for so long now. Well, it's over. The hunt is officially over. January 6th, 2022. The search is over. I found my apartment. What? I can't wait to show you guys. Life is so good. Life is so good. Life is so good. Life is so good. All of a sudden, my vibrations are rising. Okay, I'm gonna clean my bedding because I feel dirty. Because y'all ever just feel the need to clean your bedding after you have your period? Don't lie, you know it's true. Also, this lens, like the fact that I can like go like this, but then go like this, insane. Y'all getting the full view. Miss Girly has been procrastinating for the past, I don't even want to talk about it. But I'm gonna put my dishes away and be a productive queen. It is hours later now. I haven't done shit. It's becoming an actual issue that I need to figure out because I procrastinate way too much. You know what I did do though? I went to pole dancing class and I've been for 4 days in a row now and I'm very proud of myself. So at least I have some sort of consistency. But you know what? Tomorrow's the day. I'm gonna pop some melatonin to force myself to fall asleep. Tomorrow's gonna be it. I was gonna be like too lazy to put the sheets on my bed, but then I was like, Mai, come on. You really that fucking lazy? Like, get it together. Ew, y'all ever just get the feeling where your jaw tenses up, like water starts pooling in your mouth and you're like, oh, it's literally me in the back of every single car. Like, I don't know when I developed this. I would say it probably developed like 2 years ago. Every time I'm in the back of a car, I get car sick. And I used to never get car sick, but all of a sudden I get car sick now and it is terrible. Like I never feel sick, ever. But in the back of a car, yes. And it's not like I manifest it and I like psych myself out. Like I won't even realize what's happening until I like look up from my phone and I'm like, oh fuck. Boom. Also, my skin is clearing up. Y'all wanna know my secret? I stopped touching my goddamn face. Like, I kept picking at everything and I was like, oh, I have acne. Yeah, no shit. Taking my dirty ass hands and putting it on my face. What do you think's gonna happen? I stopped touching it and wow, look at it. Good morning, it's 6 a.m. and I'm cleaning my toilet. Boom. I do not have the energy to talk right now, but for some reason, I literally cannot accomplish anything if it's not the morning. So I popped melatonin yesterday night so that it would force myself to get up early in the morning because I know that I'm the most productive at that time. So here we are. Excuse me, are you not straight? Are you? Are you? I'm talking about the tripod, by the way, but I could be talking about you. This video was supposed to take 1 day, but somehow I dragged it out to be, like, what, 4? A little bit. Come on, how long does it take for you to just clean your house? Makeup that I'm giving away. All right, boom, clean enough. I'm gonna have to take this whole wall down eventually, but that's for a moving vlog. I have all these posters that I bought, but I never put them up because I realized, oh shit, I'm moving. So I'm just gonna give these away. I read my comments for the first time in a minute on my videos, just because I think I have told myself that, I don't know, I like psych myself out and I tell myself my personality is just bland and boring, okay? And like I convinced myself that the New York vlog that I just posted was really bad and that I hated my personality and that I was becoming so ungrounded, and I just really did not like my personality, and I apologized for it on my spam account, and I was like, I'm so sorry if I am just not hitting lately. I'm just like in a transition period because I'm moving, so like I just don't have like a solid routine or anything. And then I read the freaking comments and everybody's like loving the video. They're like, wow, I love this video so much. I look at the views and I'm like, wait, why is this video doing so good? And then I checked and it was ranked #2, and I was like, what the heck? Why is this video actually doing good? I am so confused. I just psyched myself out a little too much, but yeah, that's what I mean. My comments mean so much to me, so just thought I'd let you know. I have all these cool posters, but I don't have room for them, so I think I'll just give them to Danny or something. Anyways, I feel like I did enough for today. I'm gonna be doing like another vlog where I organize even more. I just keep organizing. I hope y'all are not sick of it, because if you are, I'm so sorry, but like that's basically what my life has consisted of. Ew, I look like a mom with my glasses on my head like this. Maybe we're like manifesting something. I'm kidding. You know what we are manifesting? 2 million subscribers. Have you subscribed yet? Because like if you haven't, please do, because I'm trying to manifest it, but I think the only reason why my manifestation would work is if you listen to me. If you don't like me, you can unsubscribe later, but make sure to subscribe to be a part of the family. But I post like 3-4 times a week, so just make sure to subscribe, comment anything down below, because I read every single one of my subscribers' comments. But we will see you in the next vlog. Goodbye.